The Engineering Leadership Development minor was conceived and developed between 1995 and 1996 as a product of the Leonard Center, whose mission is to enhance engineering education at the university. It was the first program of its kind in the world. By 1997, courses were piloted and the minor graduated its first students in 1999. Since then, the Engineering Leadership Development minor has graduated over 500 students. In 1995, the goals of the program were to 1. Enhance communication skills, 2. Enhance the ability to work effectively in teams, 3. Enhance ability to think innovatively, and 4. Provide an understanding of the nexus between engineering and business. The 1995 core curriculum of the ELD minor contained 12 credits with 6 supporting elective credits. Engineering 408 Leadership Principles is the introductory course that focuses on leadership concepts, principles, theories, and relevant literature. Focus is placed on communication styles, leadership techniques, project management, and working in a global context. Engineering 493 Leadership Experience can be viewed as the laboratory complement to Engineering 408. Students are expected to observe, apply, and reflect on topics covered in Engineering 408 while working on real-world projects. Engineering 409 Leadership and Organization is designed to help students foster a deeper global understanding of the important facets of ethical leadership in organizations and businesses. This course is often referred to as a mini MBA, in that the course touches on such topics as strategic planning, marketing, finance, and human resource management. Engineering 407 Technology-Based Entrepreneurship is a course focused on developing skills that lead to high level of individual and group creativity. Specific exercises are designed to focus on developing new products and new businesses.
Here is just a summary of our financials. What we're asking for is $250,000 to get our company started. We summarized our financial into two main costs. The fixed costs, these are costs to buy computers, salaries for our employees, and the variable costs are basically RFID tags. And you can see that RFID tags constitute a huge chunk of our costs. However, the revenue, we'll be charging almost $8.15 million for the firm that we'll be doing business with.
The Science, Technology, and Society capstone's aim is for students to gain an understanding of how public policy shapes science and technology and how science and technology shape public policy. During a review of the program in 2005 to 2006, the program was discovered to be lacking in global leadership. In response, the program supplemented existing curriculum and also created a second global track. This new program consists of the core 1995 curriculum offerings and the additional track for courses with a distinctly global focus. Under the new program, students are now offered the option not only to study leadership from a global academic perspective, but also to have the opportunity to study and work side by side with their peers in Morocco and Hungary. First, looking at the route that culminates in a summer trip to Hungary, students enroll in International Leadership of Enterprise and Development, or iLead. iLead is an applied international organizational leadership course designed to provide students with an academic understanding of organizational leadership and the opportunity for hands-on application within an international engineering design and business setting. The class topics at the semester start cover the basic theories, principles, skills, and relevant literature germane to engineering design and international organizational leadership. Emphasis is placed on critical reading, reflective analysis, and oral and written presentations. Students then form virtual teams and collaborate with economics students from Corvinus University, located in Budapest, Hungary, and work on socially relevant enterprise projects in developing nations. During the first week, following the end of the spring semester, students travel to Budapest, Hungary to work side by side with their peers from Corvinus University. Students from Penn State present the results of their spring semester projects with their Hungarian counterparts, attend lectures on international law, finance, and marketing, and visit cultural sites in Hungary. The following is a video of the culminating course.
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. 1 minute I held the key, to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Mirror, mirror, my sword and shield, my missionary.
ELDM students also have an international option for their capstone course. This course sequence brings together Penn State students and Moroccan students from École Mohammedia d'Ingénieurs to study leadership and innovation in the context of water resource management and engineering. Prior to the Penn State students' trip during spring break, they prepare by studying spoken Moroccan Arabic, Darija, the history of science and engineering in Islam, the history and culture of Morocco, and the relationship between Islam, Judaism, and Christianity. While in Morocco, students learn about historic trans-border water issues, current technology for water treatment and future trends, and future global water resource challenges. Approximately half the academic day is spent in lectures, the other half on field trips or field challenges. The following video is a segment of the 2010 class's video created to fulfill this final project.
But that was when I ruled the world.
The impacts of the Engineering Leadership Development minor are designed to positively enhance and enrich its students' education and lives. Michael Ducker, a 2009 Penn State Engineering Leadership Development minor alumnus, has gone on to obtain a position with the Department of Energy. The following excerpt is an interview in which Michael goes on to explain how the program has helped shape not only his worldview, but also affect his future endeavors as well.
Minors helped to shape my worldview because much of the curriculum and material in the minor was geared towards understanding people of different nations and a diverse set of cultures, and more importantly, how to overcome engineering challenges and problems within those nations. And so it really helped open my eyes to not only the challenges that many of the other countries across the world are facing, but more importantly, the unique set of understanding you need to have in order to overcome those challenges in different nations. I'd say three of the biggest things that I took away from the minor is one, having a much greater respect for other cultures and other people, and understanding that overcoming challenges in those nations is much different than the same challenges that we face here in the United States. Number two, I think one of the biggest things I learned was being able to think innovatively, able to think outside the box, and come up with solutions to problems that can be really tough to come up with. And finally, number three, I think, is going outside your comfort level, outside your little comfort bubble. We had the opportunities to be immersified in other cultures and people that were totally different from us, and being able to have that experience and go outside our little comfort bubble here in the United States really helped us to grow a lot as people. And so that was a huge thing that we were able to take from the minor. was that ability to go outside of our comfort level in some of these challenges. I would say one of the greatest memories I had from the minor was during my senior year. I had the opportunity to go and live in Morocco, which was predominantly an Islamic nation, and myself, I'd never been surrounded by so many peoples with such a diverse set of views. And I lived in a house with people of Muslim faith, and just had the opportunity to learn so much more about themselves, about their religion, about their culture, and being immersified over there in that experience was just absolutely amazing, and it just opened my mind to the world around me and really helped me to understand much more about that religion and about the people of Morocco, and having that experience was absolutely one of my favorite experiences in the minor.
Since its original concept, the Engineering Leadership Development minor has grown from a program of only a few students to one in which the courses are filled to capacity each semester. The minor creates a transformational environment in which students acquire the knowledge and skills essential for self-realization, understanding others, and becoming aware of their place in the world. For additional information, please visit www.eldm.psu.edu.